Everyone has been watching gold, but they're missing the real explosion. Silver. It just triggered a signal we have not seen in over a decade. And by the time they notice it, it'll be too late. Good morning, everybody. It is definitely happy coffee this morning. We made it to Friday, and wow, the green light is on. Silver prices are up, gold prices are up. What is happening today with silver? What is causing this massive silver explosion? Will we reach 70 to even $80 an ounce? We're not going to over explode the possibilities of $100,000 an ounce like some of them do, but we are going to talk about gold and silver prices. We're going to discuss just a brief backup of what has changed and what is going on with our silver prices. So let's get started in on our prices today, and then we'll talk about, we'll get in a discussion about what is causing all this and what are the future prices of silver. What do I think? What do you think silver and gold will do by the end of this year? And then we'll talk about 2026. So once again, everybody, happy coffee. We made it to Friday. Thank you, God. Just a few updates. Our YouTube channel is doing fantastic, and silver's doing fantastic, and happy coffee. Things are going great. Thanks, everybody, for watching these videos. Excuse me, once again, and help pushing them over 1,000 views. That's kind of what we need. I mean, would I like those 40,000, 50,000 views in one day? Well, sure I would. It would make my ego grow. No, not really. But it's because of you folks, from my living room to your living room, just a normal guy, everybody. And we really enjoy this. So thank you all over the country, all over the United States, and all over the world. We have some great viewers all over this world, fighting the same battle that we're fighting, everybody. And that's our governments. And that's the big central banks and everybody buying everything up. So we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's get to gold. Gold right now, guys, is smoking. I mean, we're at $4,323. That is crazy. I mean, it overnight, gold just bam. I mean, it is going way up. You know, it's been pretty steady. So gold is really cranking. It's up $43.90. Silver has exploded. It's broke out past $64 an ounce. We're at $64.10. Yesterday, it was well over 64 a lot of the day, and then it stayed in the high 63s. Could it get close to $65 an ounce today? It could, everybody. So we're going to watch it, see what it does on this Friday, and then we're going to get with you Saturday and tell you all about it. We are definitely doing a gold back video with a gold back distributor tomorrow that will post on Sunday. I don't have the time. Mr. SSC and Mrs. SSC are going to be silver shopping tomorrow after we film. So priorities first, right? We hit the button last night on quite a bit of silver, and I'm glad we did it. 1730 on platinum. It is up $36. All these metals are going crazy. Why? Why are they doing this? We'll tell you about it. Palladium, $1,507, $28 up, guys. It's doing great. And guess what? Rhodium. Rhodium. Holy smokes. It's the same. $7,800. The same as usual. So let's roll over here. Let's see. Man, all the markets are smoking. We got Hong Kong on silver at 63.73 and 42.74.60 on gold. Mumbai is at 63.44 on silver, and we're about 63.95 in London in the world markets, and we're not quite showing up yet in the United States. So what's going to happen with all this when we open our markets up? Okay, the big one, the GSR, everybody, the GSR. Yesterday, I saw the GSR at 66 to 1. Unbelievable. The gold to silver ratio, could we hit 60 to 1? We might. But hey, I'm sticking with silver. I'm sorry. I got to stick with silver on this one. Percentage wise, there's just too much room to grow on silver and too much profit to make on silver versus gold. Gold is a big hedge. It's a big safe haven. It's a huge safe haven. It's the number one safe haven, guys, when things start to turn and go south. So let's look at a few base metal prices, which we just said we would do for some of our viewers. Copper is at almost 534. It's climbing, everybody. Copper's climbing. Don't let it fool you. It is going to go up. Don't be the one caught with your pants down on copper, everybody. Nickel's another really pretty good one. I kind of like nickel. I'm thinking about seeing if I can find a few nickel bars for fun, and 656. It's doing really good. Aluminum's still about $1.29 a pound. It's pretty stable. Those are really the three base metals we got. We do have brass and we do have copper. I need to find a good site, not a scrap site, but a good site on bronze and brass. Gold back exchange rate is 8.55. Remember, we're filming gold backs tomorrow, guys. They're 24 karat gold. Their exchange rate is 8.55. They follow the gold market. So if you bought them at $8, you've already made money on your gold backs, everybody. So we're going to be buying a bunch. We're going to have some good pickups this week. So we're going to be buying a bunch tomorrow. And then we're going to have some good pickups to show you in some following videos. Bitcoin, not my favorite, like you, most of you, everybody. 92,497.43. Very volatile, very volatile. I mean, it might be 92,000 today, and then tomorrow it could be 80,000 on the Bitcoin. And you know, I'm not dumping my money into that. I'm sorry, I can't help it. Some of you have done really well at it. Not me. I'm not that big a gambler and a risk taker, everybody. And here goes my favorite. And coffee beans. I'm going to drill this into you folks. We're all going to be investing in stacking coffee beans before you know it. Oh my gosh. Coffee beans are kind of all over the place. It just depends on what kind of coffee, where it's coming from, how much you're getting per pound. I'm going to really study up on this just for fun, just for a kicker. Happy coffee, everybody. Thank God it's Friday, right? Golly. $3.77 a pound. And depending on where it's at, and they got a Robusta futures. Now, these are futures, okay? $4.73 a pound. So, and those are from like Brazil, et cetera, South America. $4.73 a pound for coffee beans. And those are like unroasted coffee bean. Those are just coffee beans straight off the plants. So maybe I need to be a coffee bean farmer. I think I'm just in the wrong part of the world, right? So coffee bean farmer instead of a YouTuber, right? Anyway, so hey, things are going great for silver. Let's go back to it. Let's talk about silver. Let's talk about what's going on. I did a little bit of research. I said, hey, man, what is going on with silver? What's happening with silver? What's changed today? One of the biggest things when the United States cut interest rates day before yesterday, right? So that's good for Mrs. SSC. That's a good thing for her market and their housing market and everything. But it's not necessarily a great thing for the United States because it shows that the dollar is devaluating more and the U.S. economy is actually either slowed down or, it's stagnant or something, or it's going down a little bit. And, our economy does that. It doesn't matter who's in office. It just does that all the time. And if they print more money, it just makes it worse. It devaluates the dollar, everybody. And so when you cut interest rates, it makes it a better buying opportunity for other countries, okay, into the trading system, into the gold and silver system. The central banks, especially Russia has not really been involved in silver so much, but they are really into buying a lot of silver. And so Russia, which, hey, I mean, there's some great people in Russia. Do I like their policies when it comes to a lot of things? No, I'm not a socialism or communist person. That's not where we live. We live in the United States, a free country. But they are buying a ton of silver. And they need that silver. They have to have that silver for industrial use. Industrial use, there you go. But a lot of the central banks, we got China, we've got Russia, England. I mean, they're buying a lot of silver. They're dumping a ton of money in gold. And when they're dumping a ton of money in gold, then they go to silver. And gold is the big safe haven for a lot of central banks. But now they're leaning towards silver. Silver's got so much room to grow. It's becoming a big safe haven for all the central banks, all the traders, all the investors, driving prices of silver up. Industrial stuff is driving prices of silver up. So it basically flipped. Silver has flipped. It is blown past $64 an ounce, everybody. Right now we're $64.20. So we've blown past $64 an ounce. So what is next? What's next? 65 definitely, right? I'm believing that this year. We are December 12th, the year of our Lord, but it's going to hit 65 by the end of this month, I believe, maybe sooner. And then I think, who knows? The way silver is exploding right now, gold's exploding, but silver is really exploding. It could get $70 an ounce. I mean, not as likely, but it could be $70 an ounce by the end of the year. There's a possibility. Everybody said it wouldn't hit 60, right? And then it hit 60. Everybody said it wouldn't hit 40. Then it hit 40, then 50, then 55, 60, almost 65 right now. Okay, so it could hit 70. And then what's after that? 80, 90, 100? It is going up like $2.90 an ounce per month, easy. It's going up $2 an ounce sometimes every other day, every couple days. So it's very volatile, very volatile. I feel for our local coin and silver dealers. Everybody's selling their silver to our local shops. Those guys aren't selling anything. They're not selling silver. They're not selling gold. They might be selling some gold, but they're not selling silver because nobody's buying. Why? Why aren't you buying silver? I'm buying silver. Dollar cost average your silver. Would we like it to be low? Yes, we would love silver to be lower so we could buy more. Absolutely, including me. But it's going to go higher. So buy silver. Hold your silver, guys. It's going to go higher. Wait till it's peaked out and you're ready to sell and you're ready to retire and go on vacations, then bam, hit the button and sell it then. The problem is who's going to buy it? Okay. It's going to happen. Somebody will buy it. There's somebody out there. Are you going to get spot price for your silver? You are not going to get spot price for your silver, everybody. It's just not going to happen. They can't afford to pay spot price for this massive silver explosion. They're buying it $6, $7 back a spot. To me, that's okay. If I was selling and I bought silver years and years ago at $10 an ounce, $12 an ounce, even $20 an ounce, I mean, you're killing it. I've got a good friend. He's got $130,000 invested in silver 2 months ago, 3 months ago. He just sent me the paperwork, just showed it to me that it's increased to $156,000 or something. I mean, what better investment can you have, guys? It's a hedge against inflation. All the central banks, everybody is putting their money in silver. Our interest rates have dropped, signaling the weakening dollar, weakening economy, signaling to all over the world things have flipped. Buy silver, buy gold. I'm just telling you, buy silver, buy gold. It's a great investment. It's a hedge against the dollar, everybody. It's Friday. We're jamming it. We appreciate all of you out there. We love you very, very much from this channel, from me to you. And buy some silver. I'm buying some goldbacks tomorrow. Don't forget goldbacks. Goldbacks are big. Buy some copper. I'm buying some more germania bars. I got to find them, but I'm going to hunt them down like a fox, and I'm going to buy some germania stuff. So everybody have a great, great Friday. Happy coffee from me to you. Everybody, be safe. Don't crash on the road today. Happy coffee bean coffee. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America, guys. We're out.